Hello friends, welcome to DIY, the most creative channel. And today this is a unboxing video. So let's start it. I bought Sapphire RX570 4GB AMD graphic card, which is Pulse edition. So let's unbox it. Here is how it look like. Sapphire branding here. Sapphire branding here. Pulse sign here. Pin connector, it's pretty much heavy. This card is very cheap to buy, but because of cryptocurrency miners, its rates now increasing very fast. I purchased this card for 34,000 Indian rupees. If you are a gamer, then it's okay to buy it, but if you are thinking about mining some cryptocurrency, this price is not good for you. If you buy in these rates, then it takes 1 to 1.5 years to recover your investment. So if you get it between 20 to 25,000 Indian rupees, then it's okay for mining and it will work for you. And one thing more, there is no LED lighting in this graphic card. If you have any question about this GPU, you can ask me in description. I will answer you all questions. Thanks for watching this quick unboxing video. Please like this video and make sure you have subscribed to our channel.